Today we are having mathematics. And on mathematics, we are having subtraction. And you know, yesterday I take you on multiplication. And today we are having what? Subtraction. Today we are having subtraction. Okay, Gidi, before we continue, I would like you to answer this simple question. If your father give you 10 apples and you give 5 to your neighbor, how many will you be left with? What do you mean by that? I'm just citing an instance. Okay, what can your father afford?
Maybe buns.
Orange, better. So Gidi, if your father give you 10 oranges and you give 5 to your neighbor, how many will you be left with?
Uncle, you self is something never benefit. They give neighbor.
Stretch your hand. Stretch your hand. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. Your hand. Give me your hand. So that you know I'm not go. I'm not teaching you again.
Gidi, not even good afternoon. What is the problem?
I'm not going to that man again.
Which man?
Is it not your uncle Gelly?
What did it? Why are you crying? Come. Why are you crying?
Because question. What kind of stupid question? What
was the question?
He asked me if my papa give me apple. I said you give my neighbor 5, how many remain?
So
I tell him, say, Papa, don't go be apple.
You are a fool. You are an idiot. All these things you tell me. So you don't know anything. You are a big fool. So small question in the school. You cannot answer. You are a very big fool.
Yeah.
I'm trying to give birth to you. Because I was not as stubborn as you are. I don't know how I gave birth to you. Eh?
What did happen for here? What did happen?
Only thank God you're back. Thank God you're back. Welcome.
Why did they cry?
Don't mind this stupid boy. Shut up. Keep quiet. This boy, can you imagine this boy? His head, nothing is inside. Empty. Simple question in school. This boy cannot cry.
What will be the question?
Ask him to answer you.
What will be the question, Gidi?
See, Uncle Gelly go ask me if you give me 10 apple and I can't give neighbor 5, how many go remain?
I go take give anybody apple. You don't give anybody. You don't give anybody apple. We have been not apple shop before we give anybody.
Are you citing him?
You, since you know this house, who you don't give apple before?
You want to embarrass me in front of him?